Sasha, ibinida ang kanyang pambihirang kidney condition. Sa kanyang social media account, isiniwalat ng singer-actress na si Sasha Padilla na siya ay may pambihirang kondisyon sa kanyang kidney. Ayon kay Sasha, siya ay ipinanganak na may mega-ureter, isang congenital na kondisyon sa kidney. Kwento pa ni Sasha, matagal na niyang problema ang laging pagkakaroon ng urinary tract infection at naging routine na niya ang pag-inom ng antibiotics. Dagdag pa ni Sasha na nauna na siyang naoperahan noong 2007 para itama ang kanyang ureter, subalit sa kabila nito at ng napakaraming gamutan na ginawa sa kanya, halos nawala na siya ng pag-asa sa kanyang kondisyon. Ayon pa kay Sasha, na mas malala raw ang naranasan niyang infeksyon ng nakaraang taon na nagpapahirap sa kanya para gamutin. Na-disappoint umano si Sasha nang pumunta siya sa Amerika noong January ngayong taon, pero pinayuhan siyang hindi muna ooperahan at talagang hindi na niya malaman kung ano ang gagawin. Kwento pa ni Sasha na may nakapagsabi sa kanya na masusolusyonan ang kanyang problema sa Singapore, kaya doon siya nagpunta para sa kanyang operasyon. I was born with a mega-ureter. My left ureter was the size of a sausage, when it should be a thin tubular structure with a 3 to 4 mm diameter. My right one is normal. I like how my new doctor described it as, "You have a structural problem," instead of my usual, "I was born with a defective left ureter." It has bothered me for as long as I can remember. I was often scolded as a child kasi pinipigilan mo wiwi mo, and I thought while sitting on maligamgam water in a small planggana that it was partly true, since I'd rather be playing in the streets and holding my pee than going to the bathroom. For many years, I've had endless battles with UTI or urinary tract infection, and taking oral antibiotics became routine. They had no proper machine in the Philippines while I was growing up, and doctors only saw my real problem in 2007. So, my first surgery to correct this problem was 17 years ago. Right after filming Sasha Saturna in 2007, I underwent open surgery to finally correct my left ureter. It was tapered and inserted in my bladder. Last year, the infection I was having was harder to cure. I became resistant to most antibiotics, and tests showed that I was already having a P reflux, and the function of my left kidney was so much lower than my usual. I went to the US in January, but was advised not to have surgery. I was disappointed because I didn't know what to do about my problem. 6 months after, the infections started again and took 3 weeks for the low dose of antibiotics to kick in. Of course, I was already resistant to most antibiotics, and I felt that it was only a band-aid to my bigger problem. And honestly, you've noticed the weight gain, right? I then thought of Singapore since I heard of people going here for their medical needs, and asked my friend Alice Eduardo to give me a recommendation. They gave me an office number that's based in Manila, and they coordinated with doctors who could help me with my problem. We had a teleconsultation. Then Conrad and I took a 3-day trip to Singapore so I could see Dr. Shirley Bang of Advanced Urology in Mount Elizabeth Novena Hospital, and she could run some tests. When we got home, we had another teleconsultation to discuss the rest of the test results. They told me they could do laparoscopic surgery to correct my problem. We set a date, and now I'm still in hospital recuperating. I'm glad they didn't open me up. And of course, my case wasn't an easy one, since I was already operated on before. And there are scar tissues to deal with. Dr. Bang said the surgery was straightforward. They didn't perform a body flap as planned. Part of the ureter was cut, then reinserted in my bladder. And I have 6 new holes from the laparoscopic surgery. My body is a map of all the surgical battles it's been through. This is my 3rd surgery with regard to the left side of my kidney. In 2012, after Dolphy died, I had a growth taken out, so a partial nephrectomy was performed on my left kidney. By the grace of God, I pray that it continues to function so that I may be healthier. I can't wait to be doing my normal routine, like playing badminton with Conrad in the mornings. I will miss our ASAP cycle for September and can't wait to rejoin them in October or November, and for my anniversary concert to finally push through. We move it to November 29. So guys, I wish you could be there to celebrate my 40th. So, I'll be taking it easy for this month and the next. Then I'll see you when I promote my new album. We have exciting new songs we can wait for you to hear. I love you all and wish to thank those who've said prayers for my surgery. And to those reading this, kindly say a prayer that everything will be alright and that I will have a quick recovery. Thanks for your time in reading this. Thank you, Jesus. You continue to give me many chances in life, and I praise you for being merciful. Thank you for my family who surround me with healing love and light to everyone. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.